how to install the TPO volume profile for MetaTrader 4. First of all, you need access to the spreadsheet, which most of you will have. This is probably going to go out to the public chat, so this is just an incentive to join us, because we've got lots and lots of cool things here which you can use at your discretion. So it says 5 minutes for the installation, but it's not really 5 minutes, it can be a lot quicker. So you come to the starter pack and then you click on the link here. There is also an installation guide as well. I'm making a video. What you need to do, click this download button up here and it should go to downloads. Yep, so there we go. So show all, show in folder. Okay, so what we need to do, we don't need the Google anymore. We can close that. And go to MetaTrader 4, then go to File, Open Data folder, and we're going to put window to window side by side to make things a bit easier. And what you need to do, so we need to come into here, the file we just downloaded, click the compressed folder tools, extract all, extract, and this is the contents that we'll be dealing with. So what we need to do is simply copy files across. So we can do the template now, or you can do MQL4, but as long as you just copy everything, that's fine. You can ignore these are just screenshots of different settings. The template, copy into template, paste. Okay, so that goes in there, so that should be quite straightforward. MQL, now what we need to do is go to MQL and copy the contents of include into include. So you just right click, copy, paste. Indicators, right click, copy into indicators. And libraries, right click, copy into libraries, and that's it. So that's the copying bit done. So it's quite straightforward. Just templates and then these files in here, and you can ignore these screenshots. They're just demonstrations what you can do. In MetaTrader 4, go to File, Navigator, and we'll have what you'll need to do is right click, refresh, and then the indicator will appear. If not, you restart MetaTrader 4, attach the chart, leave these settings as they are. You can fiddle with the settings and tweak them and stuff, it's up to you. Okay, and you think, oh my word, what the hell is this? Why are there so many lines? What they've done, they've given you a template, so it cleans up a little bit. So go to template, right click the chart, template, and this one. And so that's how to do it. So what you want to do is, that's how to install it. In order to understand it, it's fairly straightforward. For example, in the Euro USD, for example, we can use these as entry levels and resistance levels and target levels. So if you were to enter, perhaps you would enter here, which we can see is the 6th of December's point of control. So we'd have to come out quite a long way. That was a key level on that date. So we'd have to come back. So we know that's an important level. So yeah, it doesn't go back that much, but that's just where are we? There. Is that the one? Yeah, that's the one. So that was a key level on that date. So this is like institutional buyers and sellers come in, and then that's the level of the highest volume on that day. So we know that that level is quite important because it was the highest volume in that 24-hour period. So it's now going to be a resistance because price is below. That could be your stop loss, and this would be your take profit, all the way down here at 119.16. and see how you can get an amazing risk to reward by using the TPO volume profile. Let's use the Euro Yen. Right click, template, this one. Likewise, enter here, which I put on the Telegram. Your stop loss is here, 126.16. It could be 126.14, but I've got 126.16, and my TP is going to be here, and that's it, 6.3 R risk multiple, which is will be fantastic if it triggers. We have seen a lot of chop though, so we have to take care. In order for this to be successful, we need risk off. So take a look at your DAX and your S&P. If they're falling, that will certainly help the bias for this, and that's how you use it. So the pink line is the strongest point of control, and where price is with respect to the strongest one, then that's the bias. You can use this in conjunction with pivots as well, but I find there's quite a lot of lines. So yeah, feel free to experiment with the settings, but this is what I use them for entry levels. And I was using it for the Euro Pound a lot recently, and managed to book a lot of pips on that particular pair using this setup. And as long as you're like obeying strict risk management, you'll be fine. So I am gonna get out of that level, because I don't want it to rally, and then I don't want it to be in drawdown. So this week's been tough enough as it is. If I get stopped out, it's not a problem, but if it continues, that'd be awesome. So hopefully that was a good video, and the sound quality wasn't that bad, and the video was okay too. Any feedback, that'd be great, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon.